Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation session. My name is Sushma and at present I'm working as Director of Product Management at Amagi. Today I'll be talking about importance of data in product management and my experiences on how we can equip the product managers to ensure they think like data product managers. Before we start, a little bit about me. I started my career as a software developer. I moved to engineering management and then to product management. In my previous company, Maersk, along with the product management role for master data management and some other products, I was also designing the data governance. I worked across various industries and various domains, like core technology companies and service-oriented companies like Maersk. I worked in the logistics and services domain, media and entertainment industry. I have worked in the companies of different sizes, large, medium, and small startups. My last 3 jobs were at Cisco Systems, Maersk, and now at Amagi. During my career, I've seen how the importance of data has changed, how the way we are working has changed. We moved from on-prem to cloud. We now use big data systems. We see large volume of data being created and stored. There is an increase in data-related concerns. New compliance measures and policies like GDPR are getting implemented. In this presentation, I'll cover why product managers play a key role in ensuring the effective data management and how I enable them by extending the product management frameworks to cover data. To start with, what product management role is all about. If you search about product management, you will see this Venn diagram explaining the gist of product management. Product managers focus on delivering value to the customers by building the products that solve customer problems and delight customers. And to do this, a product manager needs to understand the business context, should be tech savvy to ensure right tech stack solutions are implemented, and should be passionate about the user experience as voice of the customer. It broadly covers product management, though the product management is much more than this. I extended this to emphasize the importance of data in product management, be it for understanding the business context or to ensure the right tech solution is implemented or for improving the user experience. Product managers needs to rely on data. We have many product management titles based on the product categories. Some of the examples I've listed here. Data platform product managers. These build data lake, data warehouse solutions to enable AI/ML use cases and analytics. There are platform product managers who build business platforms, say billing platform, order management platform, messaging platforms, etc. Then there are BI and analytics product managers who build analytical solutions, products for the company. Then there are product managers who focus on master data management, customer data platform, etc. And then there are product managers who in general manage the core business products, applications for the organization. So when I say data product manager, I'm not referring to the product manager for data platform, BI analytics, or master data management. A data product manager is the one who treats the data as integral part of the product and oversees the complete data lifecycle for the data related to the product he or she manages. The data product manager understands the company's data strategy and implements the solution for better data governance and to promote data literacy for the data created by the products they manage. Data product managers also use data to fuel the decision making. With this clarity on what I mean by data product manager, I will next talk about how to extend the product management frameworks to cover these data aspects. Data should be at the core of the product development. Data management is about the entire data lifecycle management. It's about using and collecting data for analytics, data governance, data protection, compliance, regulatory compliance requirements, etc. A product manager must use data for decision making, or we say they should be data driven. Data helps product managers to decide what to build, or more importantly, what not to build, which features to prioritize over the other, how to validate product market fit, etc. Data is also used to define KPIs, to measure the baselines, and to decide the targets. Product managers must ensure the products they build use the data ethically. Product managers collect data, ensure the data is reliable and of good quality, to monitor the performance of their products, and to make and build the future product roadmaps. Product managers also need to improve revenue of their products and reduce cost by improving the operational efficiency based on data. They need to ensure the products comply to various regulatory requirements and to ensure data is protected. The question is, how can an organization ensure that data is not an afterthought for all its product managers? This is a challenge for most of the organizations with varied maturity levels of people, processes, or the business domains they work in, etc. And this is where the frameworks can help to ensure every product manager to think and act like a data product manager. You all should be aware of the four-stage product lifecycle. Any product will go through these four stages broadly. The introduction phase, growth phase, maturity phase, and then it declines. Product management typically have these activities, which is based on the product lifecycle. The first phase of any of the product development is an ideation or the discovery phase. This is where we use our tools like design thinking, design sprints. We assess the market opportunities, conduct customer research, create and test proof of concepts, and fine-tune the idea. At this phase, a product manager will be clear about the product design, product's value proposition, and the high-level effort that is required to build the product. A financial assessment will be done by the product manager, which helps to understand the investments required. Various tools like PR FAQs or PR facts, which is Amazon's way of working and thinking backwards in product management. Technical memos, etc., are used to align everyone in the company on the new product idea or the new features, based on which company decides to invest the limited resources they have in that product or an enhancement. Post this phase, the product will get developed, launched, and after that, the product manager will continuously monitor the growth, maturity, gaps, various issues, and improve the products. When the product is no more relevant, then it is discontinued or replaced. What we did is to enhance the tools like PR FAQs, to have data-related standard questions. For example, if a product is sharing data externally with the third party, then the questions like how this data is shared. Are we sharing it with our customers or someone else? Is this data monetized? What exactly the data is? These questions help the product managers in deciding about the features, efforts needed to secure the transmission of the data, defining the channels, what data to share and what not to share, direct or indirect monetization by this, and what are the KPIs to measure, etc. We also involved relevant people from data governance, data privacy office, info security teams, etc. in these early stages to review and ask right questions to help product managers. This modification to the product development framework helped in accurate financial analysis, where the effort estimations covered data quality, privacy, data security by design efforts, additional cost, support needed by the other functions like sales, legal team, etc. Budgeting for the data-related efforts upfront helped less issues during development, or deprioritization of the data related features. Similarly, other checklists like code review guidelines, development guidelines, launch readiness checklist, end of life checklist, etc. had data related sections to ensure data management. These changes help to ensure data is not an afterthought in the product development. Product managers could clearly understand the cost of not considering the data-related aspects during the product design and development. Another example is how we enforced data thinking in outside view or the customer view of the product and services we offer. This is a sample customer journey map I prepared for the sake of this presentation. Actual ones will be much more complex and elaborate than this. Here, for a given persona, this map captures the phases through which the customer goes to. For example, the discovery phase, evaluation, purchase of the product, and then using it and then renewing it. This captures customers' goals, their activities, and the feedback at every phase, the emotions and feelings of the customers. Based on these feedback, product managers define the opportunities to improve the product and the user experience. I extended this journey map to cover KPIs to measure at every phase and data consideration to address the negative feedback and emotions and to achieve the KPIs. This extension gave much more clarity to product managers they needed on the data related to their products, both as proactive and in a reactive manner. This extension helped the product manager to look at all aspects of the data, like, there is a data security requirement, a privacy, what in all are the various data related requirements, what data to capture in what format, data quality, the data sharing, external data usage, where to store the data, and how long to store, archival policies, etc. To summarize, so far we have covered what product management is, why data is important for product managers, and how we can enable product managers to take care of entire life cycle of the data related to their products with examples. With this, I want to say in an organization, data is everyone's responsibility. As per Statista, 62 zettabytes of data was created in 2020, and it will go to 180 zettabytes in 2025. Most of the data is generated by the product we build. This data is in turn used to build new products, features, roadmaps, to take product-related decisions, investment decisions, to provide great customer service and delight the customers. And this is where product managers are better positioned for data management, for the data related to their products. And we can easily enable them by extending the product management frameworks to cover the data aspects. I talked about 2 examples in this presentation. In the similar way, I hope you also can extend the frameworks you use for the better data management at your organization. Thanks for your time and attending this session, and I hope it was useful for you. Thank you once again and have a great day.